This short video is about how to run your Python code in Atom editor. To do it, I use the Atom Runner plugin, and in this video I'll show you how to customize it a bit to get this result. First of all, I want to install the Atom Runner plugin. I am pressing Ctrl, Hotkey, then install Atom Runner. It's ready, but right now it looks like this. I prefer to have it in the right vertical dock panel like I shown before. Let's do it. I'm opening my file manager. I am pressing the Ctrl-H hotkey to show hidden files, and I need the .atom folder. Then the packages Atom Runner lab folder. Here I need Atom Runner coffee file. Here I'm scrolling down until the run method definition. Then I need this if statement, if atom_config get. Here I want to change the definition of the pane object to the following. And let's test it. Okay, it's working, but the font size is too small. And also there is a horizontal bar that is not convenient to use. I prefer to scroll down the output with my mouse, and I can fix it by changing its CSS styles. Let's open the inspector with Ctrl-Shift-I hotkey, and we can see that it's the pre tag with the output class. Then let's open the edit style sheet and let's define the CSS selector. Pre-output, font size, for example 20 pixels, word break, break all, and white space will be pre-line. Let's test it. Okay, it works. And now let's set a hotkey for toggling the right dock panel. Let's open the edit key map file. First of all, I want to define a context of my key binding. It'll be the Atom text editor. Then the hotkey I want to use. Let's say it'll be the Ctrl, Shift and L combination. And then I have to use the command that should be executed by pressing this hotkey. To get the right command, I usually use the command palette, Ctrl-Shift-P. Here I have to find the command that does what I need. Let's input dock, and we can see the window toggle right dock. Actually, it's the command I need. And when I hover the mouse cursor over it, we can see the hint with the command, and I just need to copy it to my key map. Let's test it again. And it works. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.